Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel. The basic idea behind creating this is I wanted to document my journey. You can also document your journey as well, along with mine. And that's a thought in my hand for so long now. Wanted to start this channel for so long, and I wanted to give it a try to see uh, how far it will go. What output will I get? So the main idea behind this is it's not like 75 hard or 150 hard a challenge. It's like 1 year being consistent. 1 year being consistent means being consistent in learning, being consistent in mastering the skill set, what we wanted to do. It's like not I'll not be posting videos daily. It will be with certain gaps of 4 to 5 days. What I think because I'm busy with my internships as well, and I daily commute. So yeah, let's start with the basic intro. My name is Dhruv. Uh, I'm at I'm an AC intern at MEQ Software. I'm currently a final year BTech CSE AI student at MIT. And yeah, that's the basic intro with me. And coming to my skill set, yeah, I know front end, back end. The main is AI and MLOps. Front end, back end is what I've learned in React and React, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I can do in Vue as well. So yeah, the idea behind them is simple. You just master those in one front end and back end web development. You can migrate or switch to another skill set within a week. It's that simple. Like it depends on the pace, on the needs of the project, and what team are you working with. So yeah, in backend, basically what I've gone through is with Java, MySQL, and all those stuff. Coming to my projects, DHR don't go with the naming convention. I'm not too very good with it. So it's a Java-based compiler which I built from scratch, sorry. And it's a custom, what you can say, it's basically a compiler. So yeah, you get the idea. And yeah, this is my GitHub. Currently, not signed in, but yeah, you can contribute to it as well, log in. You can contribute to it as well, create PRs and so on. And it's open source, like yeah, of course. So that's the basic class of it. And yeah, coming to my second project, AirCode, which is more like a real world problem statement which I worked on. So what we do here is we provide legal counsels um, to users. So when they have any legal queries, they can come straight to us to rather than going to a lawyer or someone. So yeah, my education, AKTU, MIT is my college. Uh, and my schooling I've done from St. Thomas's English Medium School. Yeah, coming to certification, this is something I wanted to talk about. You can do certification in various courses, like it's for free when you don't want to pay for anything. Like these are some industry-oriented certificates, like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, these two, MongoDB Certified Java Developer, GitHub Copilot. You can go to links and yeah, you can see them as well. So it's more like this certified Oracle. So yeah, these come in very handy when you go for your interviews and you wanted to stand out. You can try them as well. The MongoDB certificate and GitHub Copilot one comes along with your student ID. So yeah, uh, utilize them before they expire. And yeah, the repo you can refer to this. There are many projects. If you wanted to contribute to any, feel free to contribute to them. And yeah, let's move ahead. So that's my lead code profile. So yeah, that's something I've worked for the whole year. And the basic idea of showing this is that's not my first year when I wanted to try to be consistent, but I have been consistent over the past year on this platform and to learn new things as well. So yeah, I got an internship and job. I got like shortlisted for 2 or 3 job offers. I rejected one or two. So the sorry. So the end goal is that like if you're consistent, if you're disciplined in your skills, and like you know what you're doing and you're doing it good. So getting a job, the concern of getting a job goes out of your head, basically. Like when I've entered in my fourth year, I see the crowd worrying about like whether they will get a job or not. That was least of my concern. My concern was which job should I target? Should I wait for a bigger package or like trying off campus as well? But yes, not good with networking and don't have any sources. So yeah, I tried in certain interviews I failed as well. So that's the field where I wanted to improve myself as well. And yeah, we'll see how far we'll move this year with this. So yeah. Let's come to the notes. It's just yeah. These all will be raw talks. By raw, I mean like I haven't prepared for any of this. That's just an idea I get while traveling from back from Noida sector 145. That's where my company is to my home. Like it's a 2.5 3 hours journey every day. So idea and these are certain points I write down just now. So yeah, conclusion like coming to third, DSA, why still matter, thought process, skills. Yeah, all these 3 points. So um, like imagine the scenario, the technologies we are working right now. Would have we imagined that 2 or 3 years back? The answer to that will be no. Like back in 2022 when we are in first year, yeah, or back in class 12, like have anyone expected ChatGPT or something like that? But it came out and like a boom. So yeah, it got in like 23 and so on. So the idea behind his skill set might change from time to time. Like Jason will soon expire now. Um, like a new coming, don't I don't know the exact name, but yeah. So skill set and technologies will change from time to time. It's the part of updation we go through and everyone has to go through. If you don't update, you will be outdated. Uh, as simple as that. So that's when DSS still comes in handy for younger professionals in this field. Like without your problem solving attitude, you can be a developer, but no, not an engineer. Why it matters? Because in problem when we talk about problem solving we don't only count DSA in it, like your ability to see a problem, to understand why this problem is happening, and like your thought process behind solving that problem. That's the main point. um, that's the main point where what hiring team sees. Like you can solve certain questions, but if you stay silent, none of that really matters. Like everyone wanted to know like how you go towards that solution for a particular problem, whether you have memorized it, whether you have derived the solution at that point only. So yeah, that's when DSA comes in handy because just like maths, you practice daily, you solve some problems, you might get too stuck on one, you spend some time solving that, and when you solve that, you get a little bit of dopamine. So it's basically more or less like that. So what it does, it's solving the essay questions daily doesn't sharpen your mind only. What it does, it builds a habit inside your brain. Like when you see a problem, you have to solve it. It's as simple as that. It tries to solve it in all possible ways. And Yeah, it certainly increases your capabilities also, and yeah, your way of thinking also improves. So that's why it still matters. That's why IITians are still ranked higher than us. Like because obviously their problem solving mindset, they're certified with that being an IIT, like after clearing JEE Advanced. So that's why companies still prefer them. Yeah, thought process, skills versus attitude, that's uh, another very good aspect. So what I've learned during my past 2 or 3 months in the internship, like what my seniors have told me as well. So like back in college, professors or many ask us like, can you write this code without ChatGPT? But that's not the scenario in professional world. Like they know individuals will be using ChatGPT, individuals will be using OpenAI. Yeah, but they wanted to see whether that individual is willing to learn, whether that individual will be able to explain the code. He hasn't written a single line on it, and that's a very important aspect. Like, most of the code will be written by Claude. It has all the structure, all the references, um, but yeah, how to use that effectively, how to give out proper prompts. That's when the learning comes of the domain. So, learning attitude, that is very important. You should be able to learn anything quickly, as simple as that. Like the skill set will keep on changing, and you have to update yourself time to time. Like if you're giving a skill set, your approach to learn it. Are you willing to learn it? Are you willing to shift from your comfort zone, go out of your comfort zone? That's what they wanted to see as well. So it's more or less like they judge basis on your attitude. So yeah, if you are 19 in skills, it is fine. You have to be 20 in attitude. That's something that really matters. And yeah, while talking about learning, get in the habit of learning from the documentation. That's something I've experienced. Like, I used to ask questions on Google. I used to see the answers on Stack Overflow or various websites. I've taken help from ChatGPT, etc. And I've also read documentation. The easiest way to debug the error is to go to the documentation straight away. Read the error, find out what's causing it, and like go straight to documentation. Learning something, the documentation has the best explanation. If you want to summarize, that's the other scenario. But if you're willing to learn from the documentation, that's the best thing. That's the best stuff. You are learning straight from the source of origin. Like these are the source of truth, you can say. All the AI models will fetch their data set from obviously these documentation. So that's why you keep in the habit of referring to the documentation whenever you are feel stuck. And yeah, let's come to the next point, expectations ahead of myself. This is something I haven't like made up. So it's obviously 1 year I can say I will be keeping that channel on. Uh, so yeah, what are the expectations that I have had with myself? So yeah, at the end of 2026, I wanted to uh, CPC of 30, 40. And simple as that. We'll see how far we can get. Uh, and yeah, to travel, explore, and all those stuff will come and go. Like, yeah. And these are certain long-term goals, but yeah, we have to be very clear with our short-term goals as well. Like, before the next session, that would be in 4 to 5 days. I'm writing down mine, and if you're watching this from the first time, and if you're um, like, what to say? If you are starting like from later on from the first video as well, list down yours. And yeah, do it's not like you have to list down skill set based on what I've shown of mine, or like if you wanted to do them only, like if you wanted to try something new as well, you can try. If you wanted to ask me anything like for full stack AI and MLOps, DevOps, and some others data related stuff as well, feel free to ask. We can also take like we can also preserve some talks in the video as well, based on certain questions and doubts. Like currently this is a new channel, I don't have any subscribers and so on, so all the doubts will be, I'll try to entertain all the doubts. And yeah, we will move ahead with learning constant stuff as well. So for the task for me ahead of 4 to 5 days when I'll be uploading the next video is yeah, what do I have to learn? Um yeah, that's the first one. I have to revise all topics and what I've learned as well. Explore Android Studio. That's a suggestion of my friend. We'll try that as well to see how far we can explore. And yeah, by exploration, you should explore all the new technologies, but you cannot decide based on the overview whether you will be able to do that or not, unless and until you're crystal clear about certain stuff, like you wanted to do that. That that's the other scenario. But if you are not sure about anything, and if you wanted to try something, at least give that 100% of your efforts for some amount of time. And if you're not enjoying the process and not seeing any outputs, then you can, why not quit that one? So um explore Android Studio, learn Azure, like that's something I've been doing. And yeah, from DevOps, Docker is done. CI/CD is something I've done. Kubernetes, explore the tools of DevOps, like what else I can explore. These are all the tasks that I will be doing beside my internship. So yeah, time management. We can also talk about time management. It's really a good point of discussion because yeah, I have been able to do all of that. DSA daily, built my projects, learned new stuff, attended college daily, and like I used to go college daily from 10 to 5 and then stay there and play for 2 hours, like till 7, then come back home, eat, sleep, then wake up, then do all of my learning and stuff, and so on, so on. I've done that for 1 year. uh, I'm daily commuting for 5.5 hours to a new city and like to Noida for my internship and doing 8 hours there. So yeah, besides that also I'm learning new stuff as well. So time management is easy if you are willing to do that. It's as simple as that. Like some are saying me to relocate there, take a PG and so on. But yeah, if I know, like if I wanted to learn something, I can learn on my mobile device as well. While commuting, that's not a big deal. I sometimes sleep there, but yeah, not always. So you can manage your time in any of the way. You can utilize your time however you feel like. It's just that simple. Like you have to prioritize the task, what you have planned for yourself, what you have planned for the day as well. And yeah, if you wanted to be successful, like motivation doesn't help you alone. You have to be disciplined, and you have to be disciplined for a very long time to see the results. Discipline doesn't count for like 10 days, 15 days, once. No, it counts for like when you're doing constantly that thing for 6. for 3 years, 4 years, 6 years with that effort and so on. So that's when you start to see the separation of yourself from your peers and everyone. So yeah, not much of expectations from this channel as well. Yeah, but yeah, if few of you still together, stick with it till the very end. We might continue with the next year as well. But yeah, for this year, plans are simple. This might be the end goal for the next year. But yeah, for the next, these are my goals. And yeah, let's see how far we can go um, with this as well. So yeah, and yeah, currently this is a new channel. I have prepared any script for it. This is just raw talk. Yeah, I I'm currently not very good with my spoken English as well. I'm not saying not very bad either, but yeah. So improving in that field as well. Yeah, if any suggestions, I'm open to it. And yeah, we will connect next time. I've written down mine. You can write down yours as well on the comments section. And feel free to like and subscribe. And bye bye till the next time.